Hi friends, this is Sandy Nagel, your Graphic 45 brand ambassador, and today I'm going to share with you how you can easily shabby chic your light color Graphic 45 papers and embellishments with the use of white craft paint and a sponge or brush. We use the dry sponge technique where you dip your applicator or brush just to pick up enough paint. You then remove the excess until there's only a slight of wet paint left on your applicator. As you can see here, I dry brushed some of the white paint on my flowers to give it that shabby chic effect. Some of my flowers are die cuts from the Graphic 45 large tag, ATC tag, and flower die set, and some are from the Graphic 45 Rose Bouquet collection. I hope that you find this Graphic 45 tip helpful and that it inspires you in your paper crafting projects. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye now.